Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage following and followers notification settings on Instagram Threads. Easy and quick. If you want to manage it, all you have to do first open Instagram Threads and then go to your profile and then click this 2 points, this two lines here, and then go to notifications, and now you will see it, following and followers. And as you see here, you can manage following your following and your followers notification settings. Just change whatever you want and then just go back. You don't have to click save or something like that, and it will be changed. And that's it, it will be saved. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.